then nag-topic is for engineers, oscillations and waves. I think nakakalikitan last 13. Equations, right? Equations give the position, velocity, and acceleration points. Then yung function of time. So I do believe kailangan tayong equation kaya din may velocity. So we need this equation. May kita maging ano niya m and k. Kaya ang kanina nakukuha at m and k, and then therefore we can solve this a. So may kita niyo may b, may x dito given, di ba? Aliman may daniton b, may danaton x, dx. So tat makukuha din ni is somewhat m and k. Pero ang m and k may daniya equation na diman, yung square kanina. So therefore we can get this a. Pag makuha tayo niya a, we can substitute dd, makukuha tayo niya phase angle. So ibalik ta pagsurat, makukuha tayo niya x. May din na kita position as a function of time. For the velocity, naon tanay iton position. So you have 1/2. I have 1/2 mv. So v mo is negative 15. Kung meters per second natin, that is negative 0.15. Diba? Meters per second. Squared plus 1/2 k. X is 1.1. If I'm not mistaken, 1.1. So that would be maduha 0.0111 1 to 1.1 meters. Meters lang yan. Tapos naka-squared. So 1/2 kx squared. So squared yapin niya. Tapos may dako didi 1/2 ka squared. 1/2 ka squared bagyapon ba? So matatanggalan niya 1/2. Yes, we could just get this 1/2. 1/2 k squared. Dito pa preba na may 1/2. 1/2 squared. So we could extract this 1/2. 1/2, and then you have mass times 0.15 squared. So magiging 0.15. Meters squared per second squared. Tapos you have tapos plus you have k 0.011 squared meter squared. Tapos 1/2 ka squared. So cancel D. Yan na k over m by dado. So magawas di dm negative 0.15 squared meter squared per second squared. Mabalin nga di kaluyo. Magiging ka squared minus k 0.011 squared meter squared. Diba kailangan kong k over m. So magawas akong k dida. Magkakamayada ako a squared minus 0.011 squared meter squared. So yan, nag-divide ko ni k over m. Diba? So masasayin ko din negative 0.15 squared meter squared per second squared. Tapos, all over a squared minus 0.011 squared meter squared. So, pwede ko cancel ini. I can cancel this out. Tapos, iniya sulod pa ito ko ini. With negative. So, positive niya. Adi diri. Kaya ginbalhin tayo ang negative one. So, ay ka ito pagpalipat. So, didit na hinabo didi is K all over M. Diba? Okay. Which is equal now to adi K over M is W omega squared. That is omega squared, which is nakuha na natin ni kanina. Omega squared is man. So that is 2 squared pi squared 2.5 squared. 2 squared pi squared and then 2.5 squared per second squared. So makakancel ini. Amplitude should be meter. Wala, wala na daw ako unit na mabibiling. Kaya na wala na unit na mabibiling. Didi meter. Didi. This one is velocity, meters per second. So meter squared per second squared. Amplitude. Ito akong sa ito amplitude. Centimeters per second, 0.15. 2.5 hertz is per second. So, kung yung square niya, this one is 0.1 to 0.01 squared. K squared D MV squared. Velocity is meters per second. Meters squared. Ay, sorry. Direta pa yun pwede makancel. Ay, nako, takin, sir. Direta pa yun pwede makancel. Kaya di pan A minus. So, retain taladi. Adit retain. So, meter squared. You also have meter squared. Okay, so mabalik ini niya. So, A squared minus 0.011 squared meter squared is equal to adit negative 0.15 na igbaw squared sa meter squared niya Tapos magiging adin na ubos ang 2 squared pi squared tapos 2.5 squared. So ang second squared tanggal na. Okay, so a squared would be ini duha ini nga ini. Okay, so negative 0.15, so positive na tiya 0.15 squared divided by 2 squared times pi squared times 2.5 squared. So ma-plus taniyo bali magiging ini plus 0.011 squared. So meter squared unit didi yun meter squared, so meter squared magawas. So that would be a 2.12189 times 10 to the negative 4 meter squared. So square root naton, square root ang answer, that would be a 0.014 for I think pwede niya centimeter kasi centimeter man yan ang given. 0.0146 intersignificant figures meter. So kung centimeter 1 to you have 1.46 centimeter as an amplitude. So kung may amplitude na ako, pwede ako bumalik dito. Tapos simong kini nga 1.1 adi may may time 0 omega 0 manin sa makukuha ko free shift. I could do that. I have 1.1 centimeter which is x, plus amplitude is 1.46 centimeter, tapos cosine omega kaya lang ang imot t is 0 at t is equal to 0, so plus your phase angle. So I could get that, in 0 na ini. So I could have my phase angle to be 1.1 r cosine of 1.1 all over 1.46 adi. So ilabay to iya 1.4566. Ato tak gagamiton ha. Ato tak gagamiton niya 1.45667 para diri ako mawarayanin significant figures. So r cosine bali 1.1 naka-radian mode ha answer. So I will have my phase angle to be 0.7 919. That is my phase angle. So kung may phase angle ako, pwede ko na ibalik ang x is equal to 1.46 centimeter tapos cosine omega is pero ko niya omega 2 times pi times 2.5 pi or 15.7 cosine 15.70 plus 0.715 into significant figures. Right. So this is my position. Okay. Pagkadtuhan velocity, I think it velocity magawa sa kumakadto kini ha. Acceleration k all over m. So, substitute ko lang dito adi. Tapos ang x adi. Ang velocity will prove kaya rin may velocity. Kung iniya substitute ko ang x adi amo bagan. Ang velocity is adi i-derive ko didi. Ay kailangan pa baliwat. Sa velocity I think amo lang hit gagamiton. You have the 1/2 mv squared 1/2 mv x hakay kanan ko online ni acceleration plus 1/2 kx squared 1/2 k squared 1/2 ka squared. Then to get this b as a position of time, tanggalong ko na yan mga 1/2. Okay, I would have 1/2 mvx squared is equal to 1/2 ka squared minus gawas ko 1/2 kx squared. So cancel ako 1/2. Then I would have the k a squared minus x squared. So vx is now equal to k all over m. K all over m a squared minus x squared. So ang k all over m nimo that is omega squared. Okay, tapos ano mo a nakuha ta naman kanina 1.46. Tapos ang aton x is isa-substitute natin ang iya equation nga adto ini naliwat ini 1.46 cosine 0.46 centimeter cosine, diba? Cosine. I think you get that point, the point. Kasi hindi ko na siguro ni tapuson. 15.70 plus 0.715. I think kung may further na question, pwede niya magamit na technique. Automatic at aim book, magkamayada kan mga another equation para mas malaki siya masolve itong mga problem nga masunod. Usually, so diya klasin nga libro. May pattern niya nga sugad. So, yun. Pag substitute mo dito itong imo omega, or problema, hindi mo natin ma-effect, ini din malalabdan. Tapos, ini may pariyura may 1.46 so pwede mo gapit gawas minus I think solve na kasi tiya didi kay take time na lang kasi didi tapos v time tapos v. So, anyway, makukuha ko na yung equation. I think that's it, guys. Anyway, di man magawas nga mga swadi ni. Tigam nang ko lang may swadi niya kay bangin bumalik isa sa mga problem. Thank you guys for listening.